Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing this main concept brown sugar human hair Stylemix lace front wig. It is in the color OS1B/Sapphire and it is in the style BS281. As soon as I took it out the box, as you can see, I was like, whoa. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but it is an oil slick color. That is what the OS in the OS1B/Sapphire stands for. So oil slick, as if somebody spilled oil on the ground, and you can see the green and the purple and the blue like all swirled together. It's absolutely stunning. So as you can see, it comes standard with that one clip in the back and two clips in the front on either side of the temples, and it has the adjustable bra strap in the back. I was really in love with this wig because of the part. Also, that part is so natural looking, which was really easy to like slay. It made it so much easier to wear this wig and rock this wig without having to do too much. So as you can see, I'm just taking a pair of scissors and cutting that lace off like normal, standard, easy. Just cut it as close to the hairline as you can get it without actually clipping any of the hair. So now I'm just trying this bad boy on for the first time, and you can see the purple and everything right there. It has so much dimension to it, and it's a very unique type wig. As you can see, the hairline just is just straight out the box. I didn't even put any foundation on it yet. I haven't done anything. So the color of the lace was really flattering for my skin tone. And as you can see, you can really see this part already pretty well, but I wanted to make it look even better. So I'm just plucking a few hairs out like right in the front of the part. And I like using this really fine tooth rat's tail comb and just so it can be really precise with the hairs that I'm pulling out. And I just like pulling them out with my fingers. Sometimes I use tweezers, but these were fairly simple to pull out, so I just used my fingers. Now I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. This is in the shade 390. I'm just putting a little bit on this concealer brush, a flat concealer brush, and I'm going to put that on the part on the outside and right there on the front of my hairline. I got a little bit on the wig, so I'm just wiping it off with a makeup remover wipe. But I just really wanted that part to stand out. This was kind of unnecessary because the part looked really good already and quite natural. But you know me, I had to be a little bit extra, so I had to add foundation to the outside just to try to make it look perfect. I just tried to make it look as perfect as possible. So this is what it looked like when I got done. I did not glue or add any adhesive to my head to stick this wig down. I have done that since. I didn't do that for this review, but I have done that since. And that made the wig look even more natural. I have a great, like really amazing new easy way that I'm going to show you guys about how to stick a synthetic wig down to your head. So now, as you can see, I'm just flat ironing the hair just very slightly and really pressing that flat iron down on the top just to flatten it out so it doesn't look chunky or bulky up there. And that's it, guys. That is the final look. I love this wig so much. I got so many compliments on this hair when I went out this night. The oil slick color is just really like a statement maker. The blue, and then it has the purple and the green just peeking through. Every which way you turn, you see a different color. So it's really beautiful and very unique. But they also have other more normal more wearable colors in this wig if you're interested. The blunt cut is amazing also. So if you're interested in this wig from Ebonyline.com, please check the description box below. And other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy my wig reviews, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.